Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm standing here with Mette and one of the fastest men in the world, Simon. So today we're going to shape up his haircut. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So what are we doing today?
So I'm trying to grow out the top of my hair just a little bit more than what I'm used to. So what do you think?
We could keep the length and then still keep it nice and short and clean and fresh. So you can run fast on the edges and in the back.
Yeah, yeah, sounds good to me.
Let's do that. So Simon, where is the picture from?
This is a photo shoot we had just before we went to the Olympics in 2021. It was a little bit longer on the top and was just spot on the way I like it. Yeah. So I'm trying to get this one back.
So you guys are probably wondering, it's on purpose that these sides aren't even, because we want a more like undercut look on this side where his long hair will fall over. So that's why it's a bit shorter over here versus this side.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of you.
Simon, what is your biggest achievement in your career?
It's a good question. Definitely, I think qualifying for the Olympics in 2021 and then going there and getting 9th place with our relay team. We all actually raced at the Olympics, had our biggest dream come true. Apart from that, I think I ran a 100-meter last year where I ran 10:13. So close to going under 10 seconds. So I'm trying to get under 10 seconds. I'm 24 now, so this is when I have to run fast. And apart from that, then I had the Danish record in the 200 meters, but definitely those three.
Now you can run even faster.
Yeah.
Simon, you have to tell me what's up with the white hair.
A couple of years ago, I just decided to dye it because I felt like something new had to happen. And then all of a sudden, I just became that white-haired sprinter from Denmark, fast running and my somewhat white/silver hair.
Yeah.
So it just became a thing.
Okay. How do you stay motivated through all these championships?
I'm very lucky that I love what I do. It becomes less of a job and just something you do because, yeah, you love it and you feel good doing it. And I also just want to see what I can do. How fast can I run? That's kind of an obsession I have. So I guess those two things.
Cool.
Simon, how do you like it?
It's perfect, just the way I wanted it.
Good job, Mette.
Thank you.
Write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.